Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shahbaz here from Adam's Tech Guide. Now in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to take remote access of your computer using your phone from anywhere. You just need to have the active internet connection on your phone, as well as your computer should be connected to the internet in order to get this process working. Now we are making use of Google because Google is most common platform these days. If you're using Android phone, you are already logged into your Google account from your phone, so it makes the work really easy. Make sure you have the same Google account logged into your phone, as well as you have to make sure your Chrome browser in your computer is logged in using the same Google ID. Only then this process will work. Now I'm gonna give you all these step-by-step instructions how to get this process working. So yeah, without wasting any further ado, let's get started with the video. So let's start the video. First off, as I mentioned earlier, you're gonna have to make sure you are logged into your Google Chrome using the same account. So this is my primary account. I'm logged in with this account. So this is my Chrome browser. Now the very first thing you're gonna have to do is to go to your Chrome browser and go to the search bar and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Once you type in this in the search bar, once you search for it, you'll get the first option. You'll have to click on this first one. You'll have to click on the first one, and you'll see this page which has three options at the left, which says remote access, remote support, and setup via SSH. Now we are not focusing on these two. We are just focusing on the first one, which says remote access. You'll have to highlight this, click on this, and it will bring up this this thing at the right hand side. Now from here we'll have to click on turn on. It will bring up this page, and it will have the small down arrow icon at the bottom here. You're gonna have to just click on this down arrow. You're just gonna have to click on this arrow, and it will start downloading the add-on. Now you're gonna have to save this add-on somewhere on your computer. It will be a very small setup file which you'll have to run. I'll go to my downloads and I'll start installing this setup file. I think it's been installed now, so I'll open the Chrome browser again. Now it's asking me to set up the desktop name, so I'll delete this and I will type in Adam's Tech Guide. Okay, and I'll click next. Now it's asking me to enter the PIN, so I can keep my own PIN here. So let me just make it faster. Okay, yeah, I'm not gonna check mark this box which says help improve Chrome desktop, so just leave this thing blank and click on start. It will take some time, and it will start your remote session. Both remote device and this device, both of them shows online. That means we are all set to take the remote access of this desktop. So now we'll just minimize this. We'll go to our phone and we'll follow the further steps to take the remote access of this computer. So this is the phone. I'm using this screen recording application. So I'll open the Play Store first and go to search. I'm gonna type Chrome Remote Desktop. I'll go for the first option, and here it is. I'm gonna click on install, and it starts installing the Chrome Remote Desktop anytime from now. So it's gonna give me an option to open. I'll click on open. Now this Google account is logged into both of the devices, in my computer as well as in my phone. That's why it shows Adam's Tech Guide computer is online. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on this Adam's Tech Guide computer, and it will open the remote session. It shows connecting for now. It's asking me to enter the PIN. I'm gonna enter the PIN. Remember my PIN on this device is that I click on the right arrow, and it shows that it's connecting. It will give me this box to allow. I'm gonna click on allow, and here we are. So this is my desktop screen, as you guys can see, and I can work on my computer remotely. So let's jump to the camera, and I'll show you all the real time how it looks like on the phone and how I am able to take the access of my computer screen. Let's go to the camera and go to our phone screen. So as you guys can see, I can move my cursor. I can go to the start menu, and I can click here. Everything comes on my phone screen, and I will be able to use my computer on my phone as I want to. So yeah, that's how I get my work done. That's how we take the remote control of our desktop using our Google account and using our phone. So thanks a lot guys for watching my today's video. If you guys find this video helpful, please do give me like on this video. Do subscribe to my channel Adam's Tech Guide for more helpful videos. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Peace.